Hello, it's Aaron from Acquire Estate Agents and welcome to our development at Carrington Road. We are almost at the final stages of the development itself and we are excitingly pulling in the fire doors, which is a very important part of our HMO application. As you can see, we removed all the existing doors and ordered new fire doors for the house. All the fire doors come with thumb locks and they are installed by our very skillful craftsmen who are painstakingly making sure they fit and are compliant with our application. So for more information, do feel free to contact us. Hopefully we'll have another video with the final look of the house in the next few days.